Hi, this is Mike Bray with the IS Systems and Technology Education Group, and this quick CHEX tutorial is really going to be geared for classroom instructors and learning event coordinators who have to work with and manage rosters and groups of enrollees and registrants for their classes and their learning events. So let's go ahead and take a look at the CHEX system, and we'll look at some of the management tools that are available in CHEX. When you first log into CHEX, if you have administrative rights to work with the rosters and learning events, this is what the login screen is going to look like for you. If you don't see this and you need to have access to the learning events and rosters and those management functions, just please contact the service desk and open up a service request to be granted the administrative rights you need to access that functionality. But once in here, you will find that the learning events are located under the applications section, where you find the events subsection. Clicking on that, you would simply begin by searching for the learning event that you want to administer. The examples I'm going to use are going to look at the IS Passport system or the IS Passport program learning events. So all of these learning events will contain the word program passport in them. So I will search for passport in this date range, and here are all the passport related events that are currently in the system that currently come back in this search. If I want to narrow that down, I can simply redefine my search terms. I'm just going to copy a specific event title, and I'm going to research using that more specific title. And that will limit my search results to just events associated with, in this case, the data center services. And really quickly, right here on the search results screen, I already get a bit of information. I can see that for this particular session on January 3rd, the event is available to up to 10 participants, and already 5 people have enrolled. If I want to look at the details of who those individuals are, you simply click on the course title. That will open up the information, the event information page. You can scroll up and down and see the information here, or even modify the information that's presented to the enrollees when they register. Any information contained, by the way, in the event text field here will be included on the event confirmation email that your registrants receive from the CHEX system. But if you want to see who the individuals are, you'll notice that when we click on a specific event, there are some detail pages that become available under the event section. These new indented hyperlinks show up. These are each just pages of detail about this learning event, and one of those pages is the roster, who has already enrolled in this or the enrollment activity for this learning event. I've gone ahead and clicked on that, and you can just scroll down and see that in the section for registered attendees, there are 5 people here, and you can see who the individuals are. If for some reason any of them needed to be removed from the course for whatever reason, you can simply select people who appear here. Just select their name, and you notice down here there's a checkbox that says send email. In most cases you'll want to deselect that so that you don't confuse somebody by your administrative activities, and just select a new user status. Canceled, completed, dropped. Down here below the screen is withdrawn. You could select that and click update, and that would withdraw this person from the class and make a new seat available for another enrollee. So that's one way that you can manage who is on your roster. You can also use the enroll functions down here to enroll learners who for some reason can't enroll themselves into a session. Some coordinators prefer to manage their classroom attendance rosters that way. So you can use the enroll. We cover this in another tutorial, but you can use that functionality to add people to your roster as well. Once you've got your roster the way it needs to be, or on the day of your event, if you would like to have available a sign-in sheet for your event, that's made available to you right here. It's just a report that's available in the CHEX system. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it will just simply open up in a new tab or a new window and display all of the registrants on basically this will become a PDF that you can print and make available for people to sign into your session. So That'll do it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact the service desk at extension 14444, and they will take your questions and your information and forward those along as necessary. And thank you for watching.